Hey guys, welcome to Tactrix tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about how to integrate Shopify with Wix. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So in this video, we're back to another exciting tutorial where we're gonna be diving into the world of seamless connections. You will learn how to establish this connection by setting up automation. To begin, make sure you're logged in into your Wix account and have your website open. This method is especially useful since there is no official integration available, so you'll create a custom connection. As you can see, I have my website in here, so let's click onto this website. Now you'll be greeted by Wix dashboard. Now let's try to search for automations. As you can see, it is below communication and just click on it. Then right after, let's create a new automation. So just a quick overview regarding automation. This is a process or system that allows tasks, actions, or functions to occur automatically without requiring constant manual intervention. This involves setting up a series of predefined steps or rules that dictate how certain actions should be executed in response to specific triggers or events. And if you can observe on the screen, these are the sample automations that we can see on Wix. So as you can see here on the left side, there are different categories. We have sell more online, engage with clients, retain customers, get paid on time, and manage the business. And you can also start from scratch. In this video, let's try to use engage with clients. So here, let's set up welcome new site members. Just click on setup. Then you'll be redirected to a page wherein you'd be able to edit or activate the automation. So let's start with the trigger. So what we're gonna do in here is just to click edit. Then right after you'd be able to see different triggers. So what we're gonna do in here is we'll click or whenever there is a new site member. So that is our trigger. So there is also a limit frequency in here. So you could choose a particular period of time or you can limit the trigger. Next, we'll go to the action on what will happen right after the trigger. Now let's decide how to respond to it. So as you can see in here, every time there is a new site member, it will send an email. So let's put in here the details where to send it, and also you can edit or switch the template so that you could update where to send the email. Here on the bottom part, you can also add another action. So just click on it to add another action. And in the bottom part, you have the option to duplicate the action or delete it. So just click onto those. Once it's done, just click on activate, and then right after, you'll see a green banner saying that your automation is already active. So on this page, you'd be able to see all of the automations that you've made. So just scroll down and you can see the status of it, the last time that you've edited it. And there's also a search bar to easily find all of the automations that you've made. Now we'll use Zapier to connect your Wix automation with Shopify. So if you're not familiar with Zapier, it is a powerful automation platform that acts as a bridge between different apps. So this enables you to create Zaps, which are automated workflows connecting two or more apps, allowing them to seamlessly exchange information and trigger actions. With Zapier, you can automate repetitive tasks, synchronize data, and optimize your digital interaction without any coding skills. And since you want to integrate Shopify with the Wix, here's the first thing that we'll need to do. So you'll need to log in first. And if you don't have an account, let's just start free with an email, or you can start free with a Google account. So here's the dashboard. You can choose the different tools that they offer. So the first thing that we'll need to do in here is to connect this app, Wix. So what we'll search in the search bar is Wix automation. Then just click on it. Then let's head on to with this one. So the app that we'll search in here is Shopify. So just click on it. On the upper left, there is an orange button. So click on Create Zap. Now on this part, this page is where we're going to be putting in the automations. Starting off with trigger. So just click on that. And then right after, you'll see a search bar. Try to search for Wix automation. Then once you've seen it, just click on it. On this page, you can add another step. There's a plus sign under action. Just click on it to add another step. So on this step, we'll use this for the action for Shopify. So on the search bar, just click on Shopify and click on it. So as you can notice, there is still some error. So just click on status to check what are the next steps that are needed to be done. So let's start with the Wix automation. We can see in here that it needs to test the steps. So let's start with the app and events. So events should be the automation rule. Click continue. Then let's add in a trigger. So let's choose a value. So since there are no option available, let's click custom and then let's enter in here or add the data, which is send an email. So that is our trigger since that is what we put in our Wix website. So I'll just need to copy that and then we're gonna paste it into Zapier. So you'd be able to test a trigger and there is also an option for you to skip the test. So I'll just click on to skip the test. So you'll just need to click on continue after this, and then let's head into the other action event, which is for Shopify. Then like earlier, we'll just click on Shopify and then we'll choose an event for this. So we'll just need to click on that and there are a lot of events that you can choose from. So just choose one what you want to happen next when the trigger is activated. For this, we'll just click on create customer. Then click on continue so that you could connect your Shopify account. So you'll just need to click sign in. Then right after, it will ask you to add in your domain in the box. And if you don't know your site's domain, just head onto your Shopify setting. Below on your website name, you'd be able to see there the domain of your website. So you'll just need to copy that one out, then paste it on the box. Right after, just click yes, continue to Shopify. Then you'd be able to see your account. You'll just need to click onto that one. Then you'll be redirected to Shopify's website. So to connect Shopify to Zapier, you'll need to install the app on Shopify's website. So just click on install the app on the upper part of it. And on Zapier's website, you'd be able to see that it is already connected. So just click on continue. So now we'll edit the action. So since we've chosen create customer in Shopify earlier, you'll need to fill in the details and here on what will happen next if it would create a customer. So add in all the informations that are asked so that you can continue. So on this part, you'd be able to see the informations that we've listed earlier. So to test Shopify in creating a new customer, this is what it will create. So you can see the email, the first name, and the last name in here. And then we could try the test action. And as you can see, the data is already sent to Shopify. Now let's publish your Zap. So just click on publish. Now you'll be able to see a banner in there that your Zap has been published and it will prompt you to create another Zap. So you'll just need to click onto that if you want to create a new one. And right now we'll try to check in Shopify if the customer that we tested out earlier is added. So just head on to customer. And as you can see, there is already a customer in here. That means the test earlier was successful. And that's it. You've successfully connected Shopify with Wix and set up automation using Zapier. This integration empowers you to streamline your online business operations and stay on top of your orders. Remember, you can explore more automation options within Wix and Zapier to enhance your workflow. Thank you very much for watching, and if you've liked this video, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and until next time, happy automating.